How do you lead an AI automation shift without triggering fear, losing trust, or stalling execution while still delivering measurable results and value? Glenn, we are very excited to have you. You are the CEO of Integris, and we're going to talk about AI transformation today. So, welcome.
Thank you for having me. Appreciate it.
When you first stepped into Integris and knew AI and automation would matter, what was the first thing that you did to really learn where you should even start?
Yeah, that's a great question. It certainly didn't start with the tools. I think a lot of people think that from an AI perspective, it's all about the bits and the bytes and fancy applications and systems, but it really starts with workflows. And so, what I did is I started where it really matters, which is where are the human efforts being spent on repeatable, low value tasks, things that we coin chores, and then how can we automate those? And so, where are we solving the same problem 50 times or 100 times in our environment, which we do probably every day? And then I listen to frontline engineers and the service teams, the people that are closest to the customers, the ones that understand and know what the customers need better than anyone else. MSPs are certainly a gold mine of process data, from tickets to from alerting, escalations, a lot of compliance tasks. And those things actually tell you exactly where the automation belongs. So it was really more about understanding what processes were costly, what processes were repeatable, and how can we automate those. So an AI strategy shouldn't begin really in the lab. It really begins in the trenches with the people and the team and the customers and the work that they're doing.
Yeah. And I love that you called that out because it's, I think, a misconception to start with the tools. And really, it's about the people and where are we spending time. And I think that was a really great call out.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you
Yeah.
talked about having conversations early with customers. Did you talk to
Yeah.
employees too? What did those conversations reveal that challenged your original assumptions?
Yeah, it was, we did speak to both. So we actually had a outside firm come in and help us with formulating conversations and questions with our customers, helping them understand what chores they had in their environment that we could apply AI and automation to. And we spoke to like 65 customers. We got a lot of great information. We did it by vertical, so we were segmenting customers, and every vertical is a little different. What matters to them? What are some of their chores are different to others? So definitely did spend a lot of time with customers. And I assumed going into those conversations with the customers that they push hardest for cutting edge AI, but instead they really wanted predictability. They wanted more security. They wanted fewer disruptions. They didn't really understand what AI could bring to their environment. They didn't understand how to find the chores in their environment. And employees, it was similar. It was how could we remove friction, and how could we create an environment where it was easy for them to support our customers. Our employees aren't looking for AI magic. They wanted relief from the noise. They wanted relief from ticket overload. Like I said, they wanted relief from the friction that comes in the way of utilizing monolithic old tools and supporting their customers. And likewise, the customer wanted friction gone as well. So that reframed everything. And it wasn't overly sophisticated tools and systems that were required to do that. It was a lot more simplicity. AI wasn't going to be about sophistication, is what I learned through all that. It was really going to be about signal over noise and consistency at scale.
Visit us at leaderbook.ai. Your support as a subscriber means the world to us. So thank you for tuning in. I'm Felicia Shakiba. Let's connect on LinkedIn.